Barazza presents the 45 combinated micro oven, which has the frontal panel at the same height as all the other ovens present in the Icon collection. In this case, we see it in the exclusive finish. As far as the configuration is confirmed, it has the knobs and the handle, which are in soft touch material. By opening it, you will find as standard accessories a Pyrex baking tray and a steel rack. And as far as the door is concerned, it has a triple mirror, triple glass, and this part is the part that reflects, that protects the microwaves when it is in using. To clean it, it's really easy since the cavity is enameled, and you can also clean the door by removing the upper part and removing the glasses. Be careful about the separation, and then replacing it easily. The Barazza Micro Combinated Oven is a 40 liter of capacity and a 45 as installation. To rule it, you can work with the two knobs, and the panel, the control panel, is divided into two parts. So the left part is ruled by the left hand, while the right part is ruled by the right knob. First of all, we have a look on the general settings. The main important, if you are placing this type of oven in your showroom, is to activate the demo mode, because it's important that the oven is not in function when it is placed in a showroom. Then, of course, you have the possibility to set your desired language between a list of different languages. And to confirm your selection, you just have to press the button. Then it has an important function, which means a great attention on vegetarian people, because by selecting basically on the general setting this function, which is called veggie, the vegetarian people do not see any automatic cooking showing products containing meat or fish. Then you can, of course, select the time and the date of the display, and you can decide between the format of 24 or 12 hours. And then to change, to modify the time, just moving the right knob and the job is done. The Barazza Micro Combinated Oven has 20 automatic cookings and 17 manual cooking and 5 defrosting programs. As far as the automatic cooking is concerned, you can select between the automatic and the manual or whatever you want by moving the left handle. By selecting automatic cooking, then it will appear some icons showing the food you want to cook with. Then you have to select to set up the weight of your food, and then the process starts. It gives you also the idea where to place your tray, and then you can decide between starting the process immediately or delaying the starting or the ending of the process. If we talk about manual cooking, of course, you have the possibility to select the microwave function. The microwave has a maximum power of 1000 watt. And then, of course, you can select the combination of both cooking, I mean the microwave cooking function and the convection function. By selecting the combination of the both cookings, so the microwave function and the traditional cooking, you can then decide which type of function you want to use your oven as a conventional oven. And then once you have decided, you have to tell the oven how many watts you want to set your oven, and also the temperature you want to set your convection oven. Once you have decided, you can let the process start, and when the oven is going on, you can change your modification, your setup, just by deciding to modify the power of the microwave or the temperature as well. Inside the manual cooking, you have also 5 interesting defrosting programs. The easy one is to decide by yourself the time you need for this process, and you select it by time, by ruling the time you need for doing this process, or to use it by weight. And using it by weight, you can choose between different types of food, which can be easily selected by looking at the picture. For example, you have meat, different type of meat, red meat, white meat, then fish, fruits and bread. Then once you have selected the type of food you want to defrost, you have to indicate the weight of this food, and it tells you that you need a certain amount of time to do the process.